Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is shito. Yes, you cannot really enjoy your wache without some shito on it. And so today I'm going to share my shito recipe with you, and you are going to love every bit of it. So do well to give this recipe a try, okay? And hey, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. Let's get started. So we are going to make use of gizzard and cow meat. I have chopped them or sliced them into smaller pieces. So what I'm going to do is to cook them, and I'll first cook the cow meat because that one is hard. I'll cook it halfway, then I'll add my gizzard to it. So I just added my black and white pepper, my all-purpose seasoning and salt. So add water to it, take it to fire and let it cook very well. Okay, so we are also going to parboil our tomatoes. You can choose to use tin tomatoes, but I'm using fresh tomatoes. So I have water on fire. Let's parboil, and after parboiling it, we are going to blend it. So I have all my tomatoes in my blender. I'm adding 2 onions to it. Yes, 2 medium-sized onions to it. Then I'll add my ginger also to it. Then I'll also add garlic to it. Yes, we are going to blend all that together. Yes, and I'm going to add my mixture of natural spices and then blend it. Okay, so let's check on our meat. I've added the gizzard to it. Yes, and I've cooked it very well. So at this point, it's okay. So we'll take it off fire, and I've blended my ingredients, and we are going to cook this to dry up. Yes, not too dry though. I'm adding the stock to it. Yes, I'm not going to make it completely dry, no. Okay, so this is the point it has gotten to. We are going to cook it a bit more for it to be a bit more thick. Yes, so this is what I'm going for, and at this point it's okay. So I'll just give it more stir, and then we are going to add salt to it. I've decided to add the salt that I'm going to use for the shito to this. Yes, because my salt is the stone type. So I want it to melt. Okay, so I have my oil on fire. I just dropped in some negro pepper and bay leaves. Try and prepare your shito with negro pepper. You will love it. Yes. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Like and share this video. Okay, so we are going to fry our meat. Yes, we need to fry it because shito is supposed to be dry, and so everything you add must be dry. So we are going to fry our meat very, very well. Okay, so at this point our meat is ready. Taking everything out of the oil, and then the next thing we are going to do is to add our tomato mixture to the oil, and we are going to fry it. Yes, shito is all about frying. You fry everything for it to be dry, but still enjoyable, and it's not burnt or it doesn't taste burnt or bitter in your mouth. Do you get it? Okay, so we are going to fry this to make it dry, but not really dry. Yes, so this consistency is okay for me. I don't want it to be very dry. So I have some dry fish that I grinded, but I didn't grind it very smooth. Yes, so I'm going to add it to it. Yes. And so this is my dry fish, and then mix everything or stir it together. So you can see shito is taking shape small. Okay, then I'm also going to make uses of powdered pepper and crushed pepper. Yes, so this dry pepper that I crushed myself. Okay, so at this point we are going to add our dry peppers to it. Yes, powdered and the crushed one. Stir it together and allow it to cook for some minutes. Yes. So you see, It's still cooking, yes. And I'm going to add my meat to it, everything, and I'll give it time for it to cook. Okay, so I'm also going to add my seasoning to it. Yes, so just adjust the quantity to your preference or your taste. Okay, and then we'll give it time for it to cook more, to dry most of the moisture in it. Yes. Okay, please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. Okay, so let's check on our shito so far, and it's ready. At this point, it has dried up very well for me, just as I want it. Okay, so our shito at this point is ready. Yes, so we'll just put up the fire and then allow it to settle and cool for me before I package it. So this is it. Ah, shito, you will love this. Every bit of it is wow. So give this recipe a try, okay? And hey, if you are watching me and you know you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, for I have more recipes to share with you. Give this a try, you will love it. And so just get a container that, or a bottle or container that has a very tight cover, and then store it in. Make sure that whenever you dish some, you clean the edges for you to be level with your shito. Do you get it? If you don't do that, you will spoil it, especially if you're not keeping it in the fridge. Thanks so much for watching. Like, share this video for me. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.